Previously on my moving out series, I told you guys that I was moving out of my childhood home for the first time ever. Now it's time I show you the actual apartment hunting, the final empty apartment tour, and showing it to all my friends for the first time. Give you guys the backstory on how this all happened, starting off with the apartment hunting. Now, I looked at countless places. The housing market is crazy, especially in Vancouver, so it's taken me months. I would look on all the websites to find like empty apartments, and they were all taken or not big enough, and I was just getting real picky because obviously being a YouTuber as my job, I was like, I want floor-to-ceiling windows, I want a nice kitchen, I want a modern bathroom, and the ones that are like maybe a little bit bigger or have the nice view are really old or they're really expensive, so it's been a hassle to look through. The very first place that I looked at was in the beginning of January. Today is day one of searching for apartments. It looks really cute. I'm not sure how I feel about it because I think it looks a little small. But anyways, we're gonna go look at it. I've never done one before, so here we start looking for an apartment. So this first apartment was absolutely beautiful and the view was astonishing. Like, oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I would have loved to have this view. I could see the ocean, I could see the mountains, and as you can see inside, it looks super modern. It had a laundry room, it had a super nice kitchen. The bathrooms even had heated floors. As you can see, the living room area wasn't that big. I don't think that I could have had a dining room table, and the room was so small, I don't think I could have gotten a bed bigger than a double. It was really the view that was the selling point of this apartment, and they had a rooftop view which looked even better, which I could totally envision myself going up there to read or have a picnic or just tan. They even had a gym which looked insane and a yoga room, which, you know, really sold me on that one. But it was one bedroom, and I felt like it was kind of small, and I was like, I'll just keep looking. I don't really know how I feel about this one. Then a week later, I was like, actually, I did kind of like that one, so I texted the guy and I was like, hey, actually, I kind of do like it, and he was like, it's too late, like we already gave it to somebody else. I wasn't that upset that they had given it to someone else because I thought that there was still plenty of options out in Vancouver. Fast forward to 4 months later, still not being able to find a place. Another listing with that exact floor plan on the same floor opened up again. I went to go view it, I even applied, and they gave it to somebody else. So then I was real upset. Guys, I'm traumatized, I'm crying. Something horrific just happened. It was beautiful. Ever since saying no to that first apartment, I looked through so many other ones that were just never quite it. They were either a little bit too small or too old or not high enough. Finally, I found a really nice apartment that I actually really liked, and they did not like me. It's kind of hard to try to convince a landlord or whoever's selling you the apartment that you're worthy of living on your own when you're like 20 years old and you've never had a record of living on your own before, and your job is being a YouTuber and your boss is yourself. It just doesn't really sound believable. So they literally said to my mom's face,
who do you think is gonna get it? A person with an actual career or your young daughter?
So they completely shut me out, and we tried to message them again, but they just kept O-bombing my dad or like not answering him. So yeah, that did not work out. I'll show you guys what it looks like anyways, because this was, oh my god, literally look at this view. Like, this was the nicest apartment, and it was for a decent price. It was 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. It had gorgeous sunlight coming in. You could see the view of everything because it was so high up, and honestly, this would have been the one. Like, the kitchen is nice, the amount of sunlight, oh my god, I'm actually angry just looking at it right now because this one still might be outweighing the one that I picked. But you know what? It wasn't meant to be. After being shut down there, I was a little bit discouraged for vlogging the apartments that I was seeing, so I'm gonna voice over these ones. But this one, as you can see, it was the 50th floor, but I wasn't sure if I liked the view. The reason for this was because this wasn't in the city. This was actually in Brentwood, so if you're around the area, you would know. The buildings here are brand new, so they're super nice. Even though it was gorgeous, it was not really what I was looking for. Then we came to see another one that had an indoor pool. This would have been super fun to use. And they also had a gym, which was a pretty decent size. But the showing was so awkward. There was so much furniture there and people still living there while I was viewing the apartment, which was like really uncomfortable. They were like having dinner. Here's another one we saw. Super modern, very nice kitchen, super cute view. Also didn't like that both walls were sliding doors, so I couldn't really put furniture in front of it, which meant that like I don't even know where the TV or a couch would go. This is in a different area. This was in Gastown, but look at this view. It looks like I'm in New York. Like, if I picked this apartment, it would have been just solely for the view because, oh my god, it's amazing. The sunlight in the morning, like I would have had this little patio backyard all to myself. I went to view this apartment and I talked about it in one of my recent videos. I was saying I was gonna go view one. It was this nice apartment that was, I think, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, but it was a little bit smaller. And the lady there was like, oh, I'm just gonna show you the other units just in case you want to see them. And then I found the one. officially the day that I get the keys to my apartment. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. It is currently 9 a.m. on a Sunday and I'm gonna go down with my parents to go get the keys, do the whole like moving in inspection. And I think I might go around like 4 p.m. again with my friends. I'm probably gonna wear a cuter outfit, do my hair better, and take some like new apartment photos. Just got to the apartment. I'm so excited, guys. My mom's on the other side. I have 2 balconies. How epic is that? I just went through the whole process of doing the move-in inspection. She showed me some more of the amenities, like how to use keys or whatever. As for right now though, my dad is just taking measurements so that we can go to furniture stores. Today is the day. I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour. I'm picking up Myella right now. She's gonna come with me and it's gonna be her first time seeing my apartment.
On Victor's car! Big car, girl! Oh, hey! You're vlogging. I knew you vlogged yourself.
I was saying today is the first day. You get to see my apartment for the first time.
I'm so excited! I have to be the first one to walk. She has an apartment, guys! I'm so excited. I can't believe we're going to Fernanda.
It smells so new.
Oh my god. Is this real? Guys! Stop it! The echo. Wow. I didn't even film you walking in the whole thing. Good. Hey, go be natural. This is her home. That's cool. We're making it official. Ramirez.
Welcome to my crib. This is my empty apartment tour. First of all, we come on in. We've got such a bright little laundry room.
So bright.
So cute. I think here I'm gonna just like hang up some like closet stuff. But we have 2 little washing machines, super small, so I'm gonna have to do a bunch of loads for the amount of clothes that I have. But like, we love that. And then over here, I'm gonna do a little shoe rack and like a clothing rack. Also like a little shelf with like aesthetic laundry detergent stuff.
Laundry detergent.
Like, I'm gonna be that girl. We've got.
Whoa! I didn't see this, Patty.
This is super exciting. So I'm so excited to just be able to put like products in here.
Envision it.
And then I have a nice bath. I already bought a bath caddy.
Candles.
Yeah. Anyways, we come on in.
Woo! The kitchen. Comes with these, Patty.
Fridge. This is like a freezer.
When she has a freezer.
I have an ice maker.
That's everything.
And we label it. Yeah, I already bought all the labels.
Oh, damn!
I haven't opened this before.
Wow, I like that. That's my favorite shelf.
Microwave down here. We've got everything is like hidden, so it's super cool. We've got a gas stove.
Gas.
We even have
That's gas.
little light here. You even come with one of these.
Put it back. Put it back.
Put that back. I think
It has like compost.
Yeah. Look at
Oh. Everything is just clean. Show more of the vision.
Right here, I'm gonna have dining room table.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to have a table because then all of our friends can sit and
The audience.
and have dinner parties at. And then I want to have a big mirror, maybe here. I have a
We
house
know.
that basically goes up to like there. Here, like this whole thing, and it has like a little sectional rug. Have a little coffee table,
Right.
my TV and my TV console, and then my little accent chair.
Say you love Vancouver. Say it.
I love Vancouver. We're gonna have picnics out here, and you know the days that it's sunny.
Who's this cute girl that just moved in next door?
I want to get like a
Double bathtub.
Parisian, kind of like a little table, little chairs. I want to get lots of plants. I also maybe some little couches. I might do a veggie garden.
Oh,
Come on, that would be
Come on.
epic to like take out my mint.
Right.
Herb garden.
Yeah,
Like
herb.
cute little herb.
Veggie's hard, but
Herbs.
Yeah.
Over here.
Come on.
This is my bedroom. This is the walk-in closet. Oh, it's not walk-in, but it's like a little.
It's step in.
It's step in. I meant this is moving in. We'll work with what we
Ooh,
have.
this
for
is
now.
walk-in.
Oh, okay.
You can add shelves too.
Yeah.
Skincare.
Yes, hair galore. I'm really excited about this. I think this is gonna be my office workspace area. I don't know. I want to do a desk. Like I have a standing desk. And like,
You can make it a really like a super aesthetic office.
This is gonna be like if I do outfit like TikToks, I can like film that all in here. I did buy a set of LED lights just for like if I'm having a little pre.
Yeah,
and
and
fun.
I can't wait to pre and then go downtown. That's wild.
Like,
Go
back.
downtown. I can sleep. I know. That's not real.
And most of
Not
my
having to Uber. Like get ready here and just make like, oh my gosh.
It's like your hotel moment like every week.
I know.
My birthday's
Oh, I have your birthday here too.
You'll be nice to be able to host things though. You just have like a really adult host party. We all wear heels, champagne, and like overdressed, but we don't say that we're overdressed. Like that is it's just like what we are being adults.
I know.
You're gonna it's great. You're the perfect person to have the most aesthetic house because you have this place, you have the vision. Literally, you're probably have the most aesthetic place in this building.
You guys are sitting in my fridge
Let's
right
all be like
now.
behind her. She opens it and then we pop out.
Okay. Oh, I didn't see you there.
Oh, I didn't see there. Oh, I didn't see you there. Nice place. Welcome to our house.
Welcome to
Surprise! We're roomies. We're all living here. So much content.
We just talked about the fact that like I think once a week we're gonna have like a themed night where it's like we have dip night, we have pizza night, we have clean night.
It's all just
painting
food nights.
Yeah, we love food. Drinks nights.
Martini night.
Self-care
night.
we can
Self-care.
PowerPoint night.
So good.
PowerPoint
Spa night.
Literally all day.
Bath night. I'm so that echo. We're gonna do every one of these activities in one night and be like, well, there's nothing left. There's no point. Move out.
So, but you guys, it's gonna be a club. We're gonna pick a day, and we're gonna meet every week, and we're gonna have a tally board. No one can miss it.
No, if they miss, they're like buying me like another house.
You lose points. Yeah.
Like every week,
She's gonna be like, please stop missing because I don't have any room.
At the end of it, my house is just like fully furnished.
Yeah.
And this apartment unit has never been used in before.
Clean slate.
Anything's been in here.
Clean
So we have
slate.
She is
fresh energy.
breaking in.
I was gonna say.
Day 2 of showing my apartment. I've got my boyfriend here with me. Woo! He's very excited to see my apartment. I did something different with my hair today. Don't know how I feel about it, but yeah, he's gonna get the empty apartment tour, which is kind of exciting. We get to use the parking spot because yesterday I didn't use it and I got a $45 parking ticket. Guys, it's been a while since I got a parking ticket. For a bit there, like last year, it would be like a joke because every vlog I would get a ticket. It was bad. Then I got really good at it, but now I'm back to being bad at it.
No way. Yo,
You can see the laundry.
what is this? Why is it so big?
This is my laundry room.
What? They came with these?
Are you ready?
What's this?
I don't know what that is.
I like it.
Shh, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Okay, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes.
Close.
You've already seen it, so it's really
I
not bad.
haven't.
I know, but like,
video's
keep
so
them close,
cute.
keep them close, keep them close. Okay, ready?
Open.
Yeah.
Yo!
You can't be too loud. Look, look, look. I would be sunk in there, actually.
This is a deep tub. Oh, this is so fun.
I feel like it's gonna get.
No, but it's gonna look. I'm gonna cry.
So this is like a little party room that you could come up here and do work. I mean, I'm gonna have an office anyway, so I probably won't need it, but I could do work if I wanted to up here or have like more guests. And I think you could come whenever. They've got a bunch of little cups and stuff, so I could have, you know, some food up here, just chill. They have Wi-Fi up here. And there's the patio and there's still the gym, so I'm gonna show you that as well. This would be very nice on a sunny day. Like if I want to tan out here, read out here. They've got these cute little wooden benches. We've got a little barbecue if I learn how to do that. And I'm so excited because the beach is right over there and that's where the sun is gonna set. Even though it's only like 30 minutes away from where I live, and even though I come here all the time, like probably like 2 times a week, it's just gonna be a different sensation living here. Like all the close cafes, all the close restaurants, there's so many cool yoga studios that I wanna sign up for. I'm gonna have to do so many things by myself and I'm okay with that. I think it's gonna be so fun. Look at me go, independence era. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I just want to say again, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to me and following along and supporting me because this wouldn't have been possible without you guys. And I'm so happy that I've like documented my entire process. Like you guys have seen me grow these past like 2 years, and who would have thought, from my original prom vlog video and now I'm showing you guys my first apartment. Like I'm crying, I'm emotional. I love you guys.
Thank you.
Jacob did cry. That was really cute. That was a good reaction. You know what? It couldn't have been better. City girl. Ooh. Hey, hey. Check us out. We've got a lot of cardio machines here. And we've got this big machine. I'm gonna be a treadmill god. Think about the content here. I have my own gym that I can just like vlog in, and there's never any. Oh my god, look, I could be on the Peloton and talk to you guys at the same time. I want you guys to start brainstorming what you guys want to see me do.
Come on.
I lost it. I used to be able to do it. Well, I'll be able to do chin-ups by the time a few months from now. Look at my hair, I look insane. I'm like out of breath from doing one chin-up, that's not okay. I could show you around like days of my life in Vancouver. I don't know if you guys know Vancouver. I can teach you Vancouver. I can show you around.
Put Vancouver on the map.
Put Vancouver on the map. Anyways, I think we're gonna go for food right now. And here are some photos I took at the apartment for my Instagram as well. Make sure you're following me on there so you guys can like, comment, and stay updated on my life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I had so much fun showing all my friends. Stay tuned for my next video because we're gonna start moving in.